It is official, folks. Monetization is coming to Shorts, and YouTube have guaranteed a $100 million creator fund. But the big question is, will you get your invite to the party? For all of you who said, what's the point in making YouTube Shorts if you can't monetize them? Well, this is your answer. And we told you it was going to happen. For all of you who seize the opportunity of YouTube Shorts and have grown massive channels and communities, your reward is finally coming. Hey folks, I'm Rob. Welcome back to vidIQ, educating you on your YouTube journey. And today's lesson is all about the YouTube Shorts monetization updates that have just been released. There's a lot of information to get through and one or two opinions, so let's just jump straight into it. I will leave a link to this full YouTube post just below the like button, but what I'm going to do here is highlight the major talking points. The first being that Shorts monetization will be completely independent of the YouTube Partner Program. So in summary, forget about 1,000 subscribers and forget about 4,000 hours of watch time. Those aren't requirements for YouTube Shorts. In fact, there are no requirements for YouTube Shorts. That's the good news. But here's the bad news. In YouTube's own words, starting later this year, we'll reach out to thousands of creators every month whose shorts receive the most engagement and views and reward them for their contribution. In other words, at least to begin with, this is invite only. Generally speaking, the YouTube Partner Program is a lot more open. Yes, you have to meet requirements and follow YouTube's community guidelines, but if you do that, you will be accepted and you can start earning revenue. But if there are no requirements, YouTube have all of the control. They can cherry pick the exact channels they want that they think are going to fit into the YouTube Shorts monetization mechanisms. Now, I think initially the reason for this is because YouTube are placing a cap on the revenue that's going to be shared out amongst YouTube Shorts creators. Yeah, you're right, $100 million does sound like a lot of money. But when you spread that out across the entire creator economy, it's a drop in the ocean. After all, YouTube themselves have stated that they've paid out over $30 billion to creators over the last 3 years. So when it comes to Jake Feldman and his near 5 million subscribers and 3.5 billion views, yeah, I reckon he's gonna get an invite. But if you built out a YouTube Shorts channel with maybe 100,000 subscribers and 10 million views, are you gonna get invited to monetization? I'm really not that sure. The thing is, you're not gonna know because you don't know what requirements you're working towards. You're just waiting, hoping, pleading that YouTube are gonna send you that Willy Wonka golden ticket email inviting you into Shorts monetization. But we should also stress that this is only the beginning. Again, in YouTube's own words, the Shorts Fund is the first step in our journey to build a monetization model for Shorts on YouTube. This is a top priority for us and we will take some time to get it right. We are actively working on this and we'll take feedback gathered from the community to help develop a long-term program specifically designed for YouTube Shorts. Which translated means, yes, monetization is coming to YouTube Shorts, but consider yourself lucky if you're in the first wave of invites. Having said that, I think right now it's a necessity. YouTube needs to keep as much control over monetization on YouTube Shorts because, quite frankly, YouTube Shorts is a content farm minefield. Any creator will be eligible to participate if they create original content for Shorts and adhere to community guidelines. And I think the key word here is original. And that's because when I look at this YouTube Shorts channel, for example, their channel name doesn't match their TikTok handle. And when I scroll through more of their content, all I see is TikTok content from different creators. This is the type of thing that infuriates the creator community. This channel hopefully won't get monetized for two reasons. I've got to be honest, showing TikTok's logo on YouTube Shorts ain't really good for YouTube business, and clearly none of this content is the channel's original work. And let me be clear here, there's nothing wrong with a TikTok creator taking their content and putting it on their YouTube Shorts channel, but you have to imagine that ultimately YouTube doesn't want that TikTok watermark dancing around on their platform. So think about getting rid of that if you're going to repurpose your content. Also, on a bit of a side note, YouTube is now allowing creators to use popular music in their YouTube Shorts, but there is some small print in those shorts that says if you make video using YouTube Music, then it is for personal, non-commercial use. Does that mean if you're a very popular creator on Shorts using YouTube Music, You're not going to be invited into the monetization program? Kind of feels that way. While this is mixed but generally good news for creators, for viewers, it's nothing but bad news. Yep. Adverts are coming your way. Well, YouTube do need to find $100 million from somewhere to support the creator fund. So they're going to start testing ads in between shorts as YouTube work to better understand their performance on the platform. While using the creator fund, YouTube announced today as a way to reward creators for their contribution to shorts. Stolen TikTok video, stolen TikTok video, Jake Feldman video, stolen TikTok video, advert. Stolen TikTok video. This is the latest development in the YouTube Shorts saga. To learn everything there is, check out the playlist over here. Once again, you reached the end of a vidIQ video. I want to say thank you and give you a code word to put in the comments to confuse everybody else who didn't quite make it. Where's my invite?